Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Side Dental Vlogs and today we are going to talk about consultation. जी हाँ, जो लोग consultation practice में believe करते हैं, जो बहुत ज़्यादा consultation करते हैं, like this video is for all those oral surgeons, prosthodontists, endodontists, and whoever is being called for a consultation, including all the branches. So today I will tell you about how to increase your consultation, okay, and how to proceed with consultation if you are a new MDS pass out, and which branch is better for consultation. ऐसे तो all branches अच्छी हैं, लेकिन today I will particularly talk about few branches and how to proceed with the consultation. Before starting this topic, I would like to tell you about ego problem. So many people are having a ego कि मैं तो पास आउट हो गया हूँ और लोग मुझे खुद से बुलाएंगे, and they don't have the they are having so much ego that they don't approach any clinic. That is the first mistake we do in consultation. तो अपना ईगो खत्म करिए. अगर आपको बड़ा प्रैक्टिशनर बनना है, बड़ा कंसल्टेशन बनना है, तो इनिशियली व्हेन यू पास आउट एमडीएस इन एनी ब्रांच, you have, how will people know that you have done your MDS? How that, suppose I am a dentist practicing in Bhubaneswar and suppose a XYZ person passes out in Bhubaneswar and he wants to grow a consultation. How will I know that he has done his practice over there? How will I know that somebody named XYZ is doing consultation? So the consultant has to introduce himself to the doctor, to the dentist. I am an oral surgeon which is new in this area, and I'll be very close to your clinic. If you have any emergency, I can come for extraction. So simple. This is a simple thing. You can give a message, or you can go personally, which is a very good idea. What I feel. This is the number one tip. Like, you go personally, you meet the doctor present in the clinic and give your card. Say I am a consultant, and if any case comes like this, so you're free to call me. So many times what has happened in my clinic कि जब भी मैं जैसे कि अभी मुझे थर्सडे को जाना है out of station, I'm going to Amritsar on Thursday. So I'll be needing a endo consultant in my clinic or a oral surgeon, like for emergency cases or something like that. So I have already kept few numbers with me, and my clinic assistant will call them and they will sort out the case. But the problem is suppose if you don't do consultation practice and suddenly out of the blue, this is for those who are totally doing all their work by themselves. So suddenly out of the blue, you won't get any numbers or any consultants who will be free for you when you are out or when you are not doing work, or even you can fall sick also, right? So the first thing is we have to go and approach the various dentists in your particular area. And now you will be thinking that in an urban area there are many MDS pass outs, so मेरे को कोई बुलाएगा कि नहीं? So why don't we visit to the nearby rural and suburban areas where there is a very high demand of any consultant? Recently, in one of my people who have done courses, and also they were having few problems in extractions. So one perio PG he was doing in some college XYZ, and he is helping them in their practice in the new clinic. So these things happen. Okay, so initially if you hold on to few clinics, like 5 to 10 in your area, and that will be like when you pass out your PG, so they will call you only, nobody else. So first of all, in your local area you have to catch hold of the dentists, plus few days a week like Sunday or Saturday you have to go somewhere out like suburban area. So this way you can grow your consultant practice. And other places also you can opt, like you will be able to work in a college even if you don't have a clinic, or if you open a clinic you can work from Monday to Thursday, and Friday, Saturday, Sunday you can keep for consultation. So this is the way to increase your consultation. Now I'll tell you what things we can do other than this to increase your consultation. So you can also put your business profile in an app which is known as Google My Business, and which is going to get uploaded in the Google Maps very soon. So in Google My Business you can what you can set is, you can set your home as a business point, and you can add there as a what services what are available. Like if you're an endo consultant, you can write, okay, I'm an endo consultant and I'm available at this to this time. So the nearby area, suppose I am searching, okay, consultant near me, so I'll be getting your address. So that is a very good idea, and you can enroll yourself in Practo also and some other apps like Librate. So these are the few apps with which you can grow your social media career, and you can even spread the message. You can, in the library tab, you can put various kind of whatever messages you want to give, or any dental related tips and tricks you can also put. And you can, it's like Facebook, you can put every day some posts about your cases, so you can connect with other doctors as well in that app. So this few app has helped me to grow in my practice, like Practo, then this Librate, and few others are also there. I forgot the names. Just Dial, yeah. So these few things you have to get your enrollment. You just have to put your email ID and do all those things. Next comes like endo consultation. Now few consultations are there which will fetch you immediate money. Few consultations will be there which will fetch you money over a long period of time. So I'm talking about ortho, and I'm also talking about endo. So endo consultation is what, like कि okay, please आप मेरे क्लिनिक में RCT कर दीजिए, and whatever you're getting for endo consultation, maybe 1500 or 2000. So sometimes while the biggest mistake consultants what they do in other clinics, whenever they're working their during the initial phases, they work very sincerely, and as the time passes by and they hold on to many clinics, okay, that is the biggest mistake a consultant can do. So your body has a limit, your mind has a limit, your concentration level is up to some level, okay. Suppose you're working in one clinic and in another 30 minutes you have one more appointment, then another 30 minutes you have one more appointment. So initial 3-4 appointments, initial 5-6 days you will do, but as the time passes by, so your interest in that work is weird off, like you don't feel like working and you just, okay, मेरा क्लिनिक तो नहीं है, कर देता हूँ RCT, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, सिंगल सिटिंग तो है. ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. You have to give whole and soul. Your responsibility should be there. If you are working in somebody's clinic, you should make sure that it is your patient, it is your clinic. It should not be like that किसी और का clinic है and आपने RCT कर तो दिया, उतना अच्छे से रिएक्ट नहीं किया, and I have seen recently like many single sitting root canals are getting failed. एंड पहले तो नहीं होता था ऐसे, लेकिन अभी रिसेंटली बहुत सारे ऐसे कंप्लेंट्स आ रही है फ्रॉम डिफरेंट प्लेसेस कि सर मैं पहले RCT पहले सिंगल सिटिंग कंसल्टेंट से करवाता था, लेकिन अभी कुछ दिनों से ऐसा RCT मेरे फेल हो रहे हैं. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, पहले तो सही होता था. दिस इज द रीजन कि यू हैव टू गिव अप्रोप्रिएट टाइम, यू हैव टू गिव अप्रोप्रिएट mental focus also while you are working, right? It is the matter of the patient of your clinic as well as the other guy's clinic where you're working, and your name also will degrade if you don't work properly. So keep medium, like ऐसा मत करो कि ओवर वर्क करो, बहुत मेहनत करो लेकिन मीडियम, ओके, ताकि आप अगले दिन के लिए रेडी हो जाओ और आपका माइंड फ्रेश रहे, और अगले उसके बाद वाला आपको, जैसे रिमेम्बर आपको लंबी रेस का घोड़ा बनना है. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने आज काम कर दिया 5 साल और उसके बाद आपने बंद कर दिया, ऐसा नहीं. मीडियम लेवल, मीडियम हार्ड वर्क करिए, एक्सट्रीम हार्ड वर्क नहीं, मीडियम हार्ड वर्क करके आगे बढ़िए, ठीक है. और एक पॉइंट आएगा जब आपको कुछ हार्ड वर्क करने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी, तो अपना एक्सीलेंस लाइए काम में. आपको ऐसा RCT करना है कि सिंगल सिटिंग RCT में आपको उस तरीके का पेशेंट को कभी कंप्लेन नहीं आए. टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑर्थो पीपल कैन हैज अ लाइक, उनका तो बहुत सालों से अभी कंसल्टेशन प्रैक्टिस चला आ रहा है, जब से मैंने मतलब डेंटिस्ट्री के पहले से, मतलब राइट फ्रॉम द 1990s. ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट लाइक मोस्ट लार्जली कॉल्ड कंसल्टेंट्स, एंड अभी धीरे धीरे ऑर्थो कंसल्टेशन थोड़ा कम हो रहा है क्योंकि अभी ग्रेजुएट्स भी करने लगे हैं ऑर्थो, लेकिन स्टिल देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ डिमांड इन द सब अर्बन एंड अर्बन एरियाज. सो व्हाट आई वुड लाइक टू सजेस्ट कि ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट जो है अपने क्लिनिक पे ज्यादा कंसंट्रेट करें और दूसरों क्लिनिक का डे कर दें, जैसे कि इस दिन. अब ओवर द टाइम क्या होता है कि पहले तो लोग कंसल्टेशन बहुत करते हैं एंड like few people we don't know ortho, so we get dependent upon them. तो उसके बाद क्या होता है, 3-4 साल बाद छोड़ देते हैं. ऐसा मत करिए क्योंकि आप पे काफी फैमिली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. आप अगर कोई भी क्लिनिक आप छोड़ रहे हैं तो उस क्लिनिक के जो केसेस हैं उसको खत्म करके ही छोड़िए. अब यू क्या करते हैं कि जो केस पर्टिकुलरली मैं कर रहा हूँ, सपोज किसी क्लिनिक में केस कर रहा हूँ और सडनली मेरा मन उठ गया और मैंने पहले पकड़ तो लिया जब हम जवान थे, जब हम यंग थे, डैशिंग थे, तब हमने क्या कर लिया, जैसे कि यहाँ से 200-400 किलोमीटर दूर हमने केसेस पकड़ लिए 12-15, और अब देख रहे हैं कि हमारा वो हो रहा है, तो व्हाट वी डू इज वी गिव द केस टू द जूनियर्स. दैट शुड नॉट बी देयर. whatever cases you have done, you finish them and then you move on to the other cases. So these three things, first of all, stop your ego and go to various dentists and give your card. Then second is that you have to give some promotion, you have to give some and third thing is you should hold on to few clinics, not like large number. You're doing 50 clinics and then you're getting tired and not able to work. So medium clinic पकड़िए, ज़्यादा मेहनत करिए, मीडियम लेवल ऑफ मेहनत करिए, एडवर्टाइज करिए अपना और डिफरेंट डेंटिस्ट के बताइए, तभी आपकी कंसल्टेशन ग्रो करेगी. कुछ कंसल्टेंट्स को मैं ऐसे जानता हूँ जो कि सिर्फ कंसल्टेशन ही करते हैं. दे डोंट हैव एनी ओन, लाइक दे डोंट हैव देयर क्लिनिक, सो दे आर वेरी फ्री. अगर आप 20 दिन कंसल्टेशन कर लिए तो काफी पैसा आ गया, उसके बाद 10 दिन घूमे. तो ऐसी प्रैक्टिस, कंसल्टेशन प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो इट विल लाइक यू कैन गिव टाइम टू एवरीवन, योर फैमिली. सो अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज डू लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब and please do follow us on Instagram, Sai_dental. Take care. Love you.